Civilization. Learning about the Harappan Civilization. The Harappan Civilization. The Harappan Civilization is also known as the Indus Valley Civilization since it grew on the banks of the river Indus. It was discovered when fire-baked bricks and seals were found by archaeologists. Thereafter, the remains of the two cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were found. Location. The Indus Valley Civilization grew along the banks of the river Indus, Ravi and Satluj. The important sites are spread around India and Pakistan. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kotdiji, Kalibangan, Ropar, etc. Life of the people. People lived in well-planned cities with broad roads. Sun-baked bricks were used to make the houses. There were many rooms built around the central courtyard in the houses which were used for social activities and aided ventilation. The drainage system was very well maintained. Drains from the houses joined the street drains. The drains in the streets were covered by brick slabs. There were granaries and water tanks to ensure basic supply of grain and water. The great bath was probably used before a religious ceremony. Men and women wore loose unstitched clothes. They wore their hair in different styles and were very fond of jewelry. The Harappan people grew cotton, peas and dates. Traces of barley, wheat, mustard and sesame have been found. Seeds of melon, pomegranate and pictures of bananas indicate that they also ate fruits. The Harappan people kept animals such as sheep, pigs and buffaloes. The discovery of beads, pottery, seals, statues and toys tells us that the people were craftsmen as well as jewelers. They made pottery with terracotta. Metals like copper and bronze were used to make tools. A dockyard was discovered at Lothal, which tells us that the traders and merchants bought and sold goods locally as well as in other countries. They also used weights and measures. Indus pottery and seals have been found in Mesopotamia and Afghanistan. Religion. The Harappan people worshipped Mother Goddess and the one-horned deity Pashupati, who is surrounded by animals. Harappa was the first city to be discovered in this civilization. Therefore, it is known as the Harappan Civilization. Writing. The Harappans communicated by writing their script using pictures which had meanings. These have been found on their seals and other objects. However, historians have not been able to decode their script, and that is why we do not know much about this civilization. Other skills. The study of Harappan weights and measures tells us that they had a good knowledge of mathematics. They were also familiar with astronomy and yoga. Indus Valley citizens were probably non-violent since no signs of battles or soldiers etc. have been found. Many theories explain the end of the Indus Valley civilization: natural disaster, floods, epidemic, and invasion by the Aryans being the most popular ones. Ancient civilizations grew along the river banks. Summary: archaeologists discovered the cities of Indus Valley by digging underground. The towns were well planned with roads, houses, and good drainage system. The people practiced farming and domesticated the animals. Their crafts were jewelry making, terracotta pottery, metalwork, and weaving. The discovery of a dockyard at Lothal shows that the Harappan people practiced trade. They worshipped the mother goddess and Lord Pashupati. Their scripts has not been deciphered till date. Many theories have been put forward to explain the end of this civilization. That is all in this lesson, students. It was very interesting to learn about the Harappan civilization. Keep learning!